Hey everyone, how's it going? So, you know the old saying, measure twice, cut once? Okay. Well, guess what happens when you don't measure at all? Because you kind of forget to. Usually you make a pretty darn good mistake. What am I talking about? Well, the video yesterday that I put up in regards to my mower deck. So I rebuilt the mower deck, I fixed it. It works great. It works absolutely flawless. The grass cutting is perfect. The only problem is I have to have it all the way bottomed out. Basically, I have to have it bottomed out. And why is that? Because of this guy here. This guy really messed up. I didn't think about it. Just didn't dawn on me that this could be a possibility. But it was, and I messed up. What am I talking about? Let me show you. So on this side, here you see the casters. Everything's great. Everything's wonderful, right? No big deal. Let's come to this side. Okay, everything's great, everything's wonderful. Now if you notice too, what's weird about this, see the point where the blade drive sits underneath the actual foot part of the mower frame here? See how far over it sits on this side? I don't know why that is, but that's how it is. I mean, look at the wheel compared to the wheel on the deck compared to, or on the mower deck compared to the front wheel. And same here, it kind of sticks out. Well, what I mess up? Ta-da! As you see, I bent that thing so it's at an angle so I could actually mow. I went to go put this thing on, and I realized, oops, I welded it in the wrong spot. So what am I going to do here? Well, I can use it. I just got to finish mowing the grass, which I'm going to do this afternoon because it rained overnight. I cut all my grass on the side and in the front, got all that done. Came out beautiful. So I was very happy with that. But like I said, if I go to raise it up, it hits the wheel. So there, the mower deck is as far down as it'll go, but as I go up, it contacts the wheel right there. So, but all the way down, it's fine, and it cuts perfectly fine. So I'm gonna wind up destroying that wheel, that tire or roller, whatever you want to call it, in the process. As you can see, it's already chewed up. Not a big deal. I'll just get another set. They were like 20 bucks for the 4, whatever. But what I have to do is I have to have the bracket go to the outside, not the inside. So as you see the bracket going inside towards the tire, I have to have it go outside towards the chute area. That'll put the wheel out further. And then this way I don't have to worry about it. And then I can raise and lower the deck as I need. So whatever, I just did not even think it was going to be an issue. But there we go. All right, guys. So see, I show you. I even make mistakes. So, all right. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.